I wonder why. Bring your cheek nice and close to hers. I know a lot of photographers are afraid to photograph siblings, but truly, it's almost easier in a sense. Siblings are comfortable with each other. They're responding to each other. They can feel safe with one another. They're doing this together. And I think in the end, if you make this an experience for them, it becomes more than just a session. It becomes a memory for them. Children are best, truly, when they have a bit of freedom. So if I'm asking siblings to do something, I'm doing that not because I have an exact image in mind, but instead just to give them an objective, just to give them some direction. But then from there, I truly want them just to be themselves. So if things unfold, I just keep shooting away. And in doing that, I really am going to capture their authenticity and their natural relationship, their bond. And that's the beauty about a sibling session, truly. You're forging that moment in time. It all comes back to these photos because they're the ones that end up making it on the wall in their homes. They'll remember those images, and those images become part of the narrative of their childhood. I'm Tracy Sweeney, owner of Alon Studio. Check out my latest course on KelbyOne.com.